Money management refers to the process of budgeting, saving, investing, and spending money wisely to achieve financial goals and secure a stable financial future. Here are some easy examples to understand money management and important points to ponder when applying it. Budgeting. Creating a monthly budget that outlines income, expenses such as rent, groceries, utilities, and savings goals. Understanding your income sources, tracking expenses, prioritizing needs over wants, and allocating funds for savings and emergencies. Saving and investing. Setting aside a portion of income for short-term goals, like a vacation fund, and long-term goals, like retirement savings or investments. Differentiating between saving, keeping money in a safe place, and investing, putting money into assets that can grow over time, considering risk tolerance when choosing investment options, and diversifying investments for better risk management. Debt management. Developing a plan to pay off high-interest debts, like credit card balances, systematically while avoiding accumulating new debts unnecessarily. Prioritizing debt repayment based on interest rates, negotiating with creditors for better terms if possible, and avoiding overspending to prevent further debt accumulation. Emergency fund. Saving a certain amount of money in an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses or financial setbacks, like medical emergencies or job loss. Aim to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund, keep it in a liquid and easily accessible account, and replenish it whenever used. Financial goal setting. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart, financial goals such as buying a house, starting a business, or saving for children's education. Regularly reviewing and adjusting financial goals. Activity to practice money management is creating a mock budget or financial plan. 1. Use a spreadsheet or budgeting app to allocate funds to different categories like necessities, savings, debt repayment, and discretionary spending. 2. Track your actual spending against the budgeted amounts and make adjustments as needed to stay on track with your financial plan. 3. This hands-on activity will help you understand the principles of money management and develop good financial habits.